Okay, this is Lawrence, the mathematics user, and this is the second part of the video. Now here we'll be considering questions where x squared, it can be any other variable, whether x squared, a squared, z squared, has a coefficient of 1. Those are the questions we are going to look at. Now let's take an example. We have, for our first question, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, for this type of question, we consider the constant over here. What we do is that we find the factors of the constant. Now, what do we do with those factors? We look out for those factors, which when we sum up, will give us the second term, that is the coefficient of the variable whose power is 1. So under this question, the coefficient here is positive 2. So we need to find the factors of this constant, which when we sum up will give us the coefficient of the variable with an exponent of 1. So now for the factors of 1, since it is positive, we can have 1 and 1. We can also have negative 1, negative 1. But the key thing is, which of them will give us a sum of 2, which is positive 2 here. So let's see, 1 plus 1 is 2. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. So therefore, we are going to work with this pair. Now, so it means what we do next is, since we've obtained the factors, we are going to replace our second term with this. Okay, so this is going to give us x squared. Now, the next thing is, we cannot write 1x because x has a coefficient of 1. So here, we are going to have plus x. But we ensure that the coefficient is 1. The other one is also plus x, then plus 1. Having obtained this, we now factorize. So here, by grouping, the highest common factor of variables is to always pick the one with the lowest exponent. So we have x out into brackets, x plus 1 to this side. Now here, the highest common factor is 1. So we have 1 out into brackets, x plus 1. So what we do is that we pick the factors here, x plus 1, then we pick one of the quotients, which is x plus 1. So get it. We find the factors of the constant, we pick the pair which will give us, whose sum will give us the coefficient of the variable with the exponent of 1. Then we replace and factorize. And this is Florence, the mathematics tutor.